GMC! Guess where I am? Dooley! Covered in snow. There's the Phoenix. Oh yeah. There's a burn pile that hasn't burned yet. There's the barn. Here's the dump truck. Lots of snow. Mr. Muggs, what are you doing, Mr. Muggs? You having a good time, Mr. Muggs? Miss NC? Holy Mr. Muggs, because he's a lazy puppy and can't go in this much snow. Well, one day in the spring or something, maybe I'll, the big rocks over there. So I think you have to go past here and up there and the big rocks over there. I can't get to it. Too much snow. Yeah, there's the barn. Wonder what's in there. Besides snow. Alright guys, well, got dump truck. I'll take a quick thing over here. Miss NC gonna stay here with the puppy. And I'm gonna drudge in the snow. Lots of snow over here. How's the beehive? Can you see a beehive? Nope. Oh yeah. Oh boy. There's the pump. Hydraulic cylinders. Need tires. Wonder how cold it is. I can't even tell. We don't need no stinking pipe. Alright, well, the woman's yelling at me. Better start making my way back. In 2 feet of snow. Oh. Look at Mr. Muggs. He's covered. What are you doing, Muggs? You can't even move. Got gloves. GMC. Alright guys, that's it. I'll talk to you later. All of us having fun in Wilds area. See you later. Bye.